Today we're about to do the back coilovers on this 2015 Q50 all-wheel drive. The back one's a little weird, not weird, but you gotta put the springs on yourself. We'll see how this goes. It's the first time doing this. Let's get it. Okay, first things first, let me jack this up, take the wheels off both sides, and we have to take out the seat to put this on. I like to start with one side first, so I could finish it up and I could drop it and see how I like it if I want the same height for the other side. Okay, so you gotta remove this seat, and you can see the shocks behind here. Anybody who don't know how to remove these seats, this is how you do it. Okay, there's a thing you have to pull in here. Under here, you see that? Most infinities. Pull this outwards and push up on it. Push up, pull up. Do it again. Okay, it's one side, do the other side. On the sides. Same thing. Like this. Piece right here, the plastic piece, pull outwards and go up. Remove the seat. Like so. Up on it. It's gonna be a little hard because the seat belts are in between here and it's stuck on the back of this. Okay, so take this out. Okay, now we gotta remove these 14s. 14 over there. If you want, you can remove the seat belt, which I am gonna do it. That's another 14 right here. Let's grab the 14. One, don't lose that. It's two, seat belt. That bolt stays on this, so I like to put this back here. Okay, now let's do the other side. Same thing. Oh yeah, you could take off this one too, or unbuckle it from here. All you will do is pin this in here. Pin this, whatever. Put this in like so, and it should pop up. There you go. I'll put it back. Now let's do the same thing over there, the two 14s. Now all you gotta do is pull up on it. Okay, go up with this and remove this. Okay, so once you remove that bolt, you're gonna have to push up on it. I already did. This is over there. But push up on it and you should get it off this and put it to the side. Now, let's put this down. Okay? By opening the trunk, go in here, pull on this, and pull it down. Like so. Okay. Just to the side, take this off. Let's do the other side. Boom. Alright. Okay. Now let's take off this plastic piece. Not plastic piece, this off. Move this side piece. You gotta do. Now let's remove these clips because you gotta get to this 10 mils back there on the sides. 10 mil. Take off this plate and the bolts should be back there, both on the same side. Well, we're gonna do it over there since we're doing the coilover over there first. Take this off. Take this off. Let's remove this whole plastic piece here because we could remove it. Okay, let's take that off. Let's take this off. Once you take those off, remove this. Okay, now you gotta remove this right here. You gotta just put to the side, and that's it. This piece. Now 10 millimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take those off. Take this one off. You gotta remove this. Okay, make sure your hands are clean because it's gonna get dirty as soon as you remove it, because there's a 10 mil back there. As you see, you can get from here. You see, there's a 10. Oh, you see it. You see it back there. You see, peeking there. It's a 10. Okay, have one of these. Go back there and unscrew it. Let's remove this panel. If you have a better way, y'all, let me know, y'all. This is why we gotta take this off, because there's another 10 right here you can't reach. So let's take a 10, loosen that. Okay, once you do that, take off this plate, and there's your strut bolts. Now let's remove the wheel. Okay, now we got this bolt over here, 17, and we gotta loosen the bolts up there, the 14s. Okay, let's do the top first, actually. Those are 12s, yeah. Let's move those 12s. I'm gonna use this for this one, then the rest wrenches. Okay, so you're probably wondering how you're gonna reach the other side. All you gotta do is pop this off. Voila. Now, let's go ahead, take this off with the wrench. Once you loosen those top bolts, you gotta take off the 17 over here. Okay, take this off. Then, okay, so now we need the suspension to drop down. You're gonna have to remove this stabilizer link off this, so it could just go down, or it could just take the one off over here. Either or, don't matter. That's 14. Okay, now let's jack this up with a jack to remove this, like that. Now let's put this down. Soon you loosen that, or take off the stabilizer link. You have a breaker bar that's this long. You have to put it somewhere here and basically put down the suspension. Okay, you hear that? That's the suspension. Okay, so once you do that, put it down. Try to push this to the side so this will come off. Put this down, as you see. Down. See, it will go down and you will hit this to the side. You see how it's down now? Now you could remove the strut. Okay, so alright. Now, since the new one doesn't come with a new top part, we gotta remove this off this. So I'm gonna get my clamper, clamp it down, take this off. Take this bolt right here off. This is a 19. Okay, I got compressed with my cheap compressor right here. It's not cheap, but you know, it's all right. It works. And let's remove the 17 bolt. Okay, so it's twisting. So let's take a clamper and clamp the pipe that's in there, like so. And these are your bolts. Okay, now let's take all these off. Take these off, and this hat should come off like so. All this money and they don't send you a new top hat. That's wild. Okay, now let's take this off, put in the new one, and put everything together. Pretty much common sense like that. Put this together. Make sure this flat side, there's a flat side on this. Make sure it goes on. When you're putting on a new one, if you don't know which side this thing goes, it goes big to small. You can see the spring. You see, it's big to small, wide to small. The small side goes on this right here, like this. So slide that right here. That's how it will go. Pretty much. Just like that. Okay. Now we're gonna compress this thing. Put the old tap hat on there and put it on. Oh yeah, the way I adjust it, I go from the top. I count the threads on here. The way I do it. You can measure it if you want, but I count the threads, and I do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now we're gonna put this back in. Okay, same way you took it out. Put this down and fit this in there. Okay, they gave you new bolts, so I'm gonna still use the old one. This from the top hat of the old one for the new bolt. I mean, to tighten the bottom of this. So I'm gonna line it up, put this bolt, tighten it. Everything bolted, well, everything tight now. Don't forget your sweet bar length. Jack it up, put your jack down. Now I'm gonna test, see if I like the height, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so I'm not gonna show how to put it back together because I have to do the other side. So same way we take it off, put it back. All right, so I'm gonna just test this, see if I like it. Okay, this is how low it is. I might put a little lower. Okay, so if you want to put the adjuster for the rear, it's for the adjustment. I'll put it through his seat belt like this in the corner. So it's gonna be just like this one over here. You see? You see that? It goes in there. Okay, yeah, so I put it right in here. As you see. Right in there. Goes on top. That's to adjust the shocks, soft to hard. Alrighty, so I'm gonna leave it there. Put everything back together. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this up. I get alignment, and that's it. So if I helped you out, give me a like, subscribe. Later.